everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Fonetool for iPhone web. So basically you just have to go to any web browser, type Fonetool, and if you see the very first link here, you have to click that one. It will take you directly to their home page, and what you're going to do here is to click this free download, and then you have to go to the site. You will see that it is now starting to download. Once done, open your download folder. And then you have to locate this Fonetool, right click, run as administrator. And then after that, go to your start menu, look for Fonetool, run as administrator again, and then open. And this is what it looks like. So what you need now is cable to connect from your iPhone to your PC. So please connect your device to PC via USB cable. So this is what it looks like. You have your backup. You can sign in or log in your iCloud. You can backup transfer with your WhatsApp here. So there's a lot of things that you can use with your Fonetool. It's very easy. You just have to click or select the file that you want to transfer, and that's it. So I'm going to show you how to basically use this one. So once you have connected your phone to your device, it will automatically detect your phone information. So you will see it right here. Okay, so you can see here device model, system version, capacity, use space, and free space. You can also tap this data explorer if you want. So that's the very first thing that you can see here. And then if you want to sign in with your iCloud, you just have to click this My iCloud right here, and you have to make sure that you remember your Apple ID and your password. Then you can manage iCloud and iCloud Drive here by tapping from any of these files, and you can transfer my backups if you have created, but for me I haven't created one. Phone backup, selective backup if you want to select some important files here. I mean, not all files from your phone. For example, you just want to transfer photos, music, and videos. Now you can transfer and then wait for a couple of seconds till it reaches 100%, and that's it. You have transferred those selected files from your iPhone to your PC. Also, for phone transfer, you have select transfer mode here. For example, we have here phone to PC. All you have to do is to click this get started right here. Tap this one. And then you can select the file. For example, you just want to transfer CapCut files or InShot files or Instagram files from your iPhone to a PC. Then you can just simply select that one here. Okay, for example, I just want to select all files. And then if you want to select selected files, then you can do that also. And then transfer. And they have also this PC to iPhone. You just have to simply click this, get started, import that file from your PC, and then tap it. Then you can simply tap transfer. So that is from PC to your iPhone. As easy as that. And then we have here iPhone to iPhone. Make sure that you have also um, plug in the other iPhone device in order for you to transfer files from your iPhone to your other iPhone. Also, Fonetool has this backup WhatsApp. So you just have to click that file right here. For example, you want to transfer documents, tap that one, and then tap transfer. As easy as that. So basically, this is how this Fonetool works, and it's very satisfying. It's very fast, indeed very helpful for iPhone users. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.